In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Monday.com and effectively delegate them to your team members. Monday.com is a powerful tool that's designed to streamline workflow and enhance team collaboration. By the end of this guide, you'll confidently know how to assign tasks, making your project management on Monday.com smooth and efficient. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Monday.com homepage, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to the Monday.com platform. If you aren't logged in yet, make sure to do so using your credentials. Once you've accessed your dashboard, you'll notice various boards listed on the left-hand side. Each board represents a different project or a category within your organization. These boards help you organize tasks and assignments with clarity. Next, click on the board you wish to work on. It's important to choose the right board that corresponds to the project you're focusing on. These boards serve as your digital workspaces, containing all the specific tasks and assignments relevant to different segments of your workflow. Take your time familiarizing yourself with the layout if you're new. Now, let's proceed to assign tasks within this board. In the board view, locate the owner column. This column is key when it comes to assigning responsibilities. It indicates who is responsible for which task. Here, you'll find a profile icon under the owner column corresponding to each task. Click on this profile icon to start assigning the task. It's quite intuitive, so don't worry if it seems too straightforward. The design aims to make task assignments as seamless as possible. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, a list of team members will appear. Now, select and click on the name of the team member you wish to assign the task to. Depending on your project needs, you can assign multiple team members to a single task if that's required. This functionality ensures that everyone knows what they need to focus on and prevents tasks from falling through the cracks. And there you have it. Assigning tasks using Monday.com is that simple. Having clearly defined task assignments is crucial for productivity and accountability within any team environment. Be sure to periodically check these assignments, updating them as project demands change, and adjusting team responsibilities accordingly. Smart task delegation through Monday.com can significantly enhance your team's efficiency, keeping everyone aligned towards common goals. Remember, effective communication and regular check-ins with your team amplify the power of such tools, fostering a collaborative and productive work environment. Thanks for watching this walkthrough on Monday.com, and I hope you find it beneficial for managing your projects more effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your project management processes.